Today we are doing keychains with epoxy resin. So sometimes what happens is when you use molds and you demold this, sometimes this cavity gets filled with resin, excess resin. So what you can do is, so for example, for this the cavities gotten filled. So what you can do is it's very simple. Just take a drill. Take your drill bit, take a small drill bit, fasten it, and with the key you tighten it. It's just for safety, and once it's done, you can just drill a hole in it. It's that simple. And you can just take your keychain ring. So this hole is done. And what you can do is just take take the ring that comes with the keychain ring and just insert it inside. You can use a wire cutter. It becomes much easier. So once you put this, put your keychain inside and then tighten this. So your keychain is ready. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more such videos.